Are you trying to find the best phone mount for bike? If yes, you have come to the right place. The below is a list of the top 5 best phone mount for bike. Be sure to read my description if you want to learn more about the price and other details. Please subscribe and click the bell button for more update videos to the channel, and don't forget to like and comment. Consequently, let's begin the video pretty quickly. Number 1. The VUP silicone mount is a fantastic budget option because it is among the most affordable mounts on our suggested shortlist. It performs almost identically to the Nite Ize in almost every metric and costs only around half as much. Being the most straightforward mount to set up, the VUP stands out from the competition. It was simple to install on our handlebars and only took 5 seconds. This mount was surprisingly easy to use, according to our testers. The VUP also excels at versatility, making it simple to switch from one cycle to another or from a bike to a stroller. There are certain drawbacks to the VUP mount, despite the fact that it is simple and operates reasonably well. The VUP mount is not at all as fashionable as its comparable rival, the Nite Ize. Additionally, it doesn't support as wide a range of sizes as the Nite Ize. Because of these distinctions, the Nite Ize stood out, although the VUP is comparable and practically half the price. The VUP is a fantastic option for riders on a tight budget or those who only seldom use a bike phone mount in the end. Number 2. If you want a bike phone mount with extra storage, the Wildman Bike Phone Mount Bag is a reasonably priced solution. Because of its wider and more practical Velcro straps and loops, this bag was simpler to assemble than the Rock Bros waterproof bag. Even though it jiggles a little, this attachment secures your phone to your bike and shields it from all types of weather. A wallet, keys, or a snack can be stored in the bag, which is an added bonus. The bike bag size and majority takeover of your bike's top tube are drawbacks. In other words, it can be challenging to stand over the bike while the bag is attached. Additionally, the plastic that simultaneously protects and hinders the use of your phone. In our ease of phone access metric, this mount performs badly due to decreased touchscreen sensitivity and phone screen glare. On warmer days, some consumers discovered that their phones overheated in the bike backpack. The Wildman bag is a wonderful option if you want a bike bag with lots of storage that is also weatherproof. Number 3. The Quad Lockout front bike attachment might be what you need if you want a quick on, quick off mount for taking pictures. The Quad Lock was the second highest scoring mount in the lineup with excellent results across the board. The simplicity of using one hand to quickly and effortlessly remove the phone is the feature that our testers love the most. The Quad Lock also performs well in terms of its stability on uneven ground. When placed correctly, according to our tests, the mount proved quite secure even at high speeds on rocky single-track and dirt roads. Although not quite as expensive as the Rockform Pro, it is nonetheless costly. Fortunately, the mount comes with simple instructions and the necessary tool. This phone mount is a poor choice if you want the flexibility to use it on various bikes, strollers, or treadmills because of its semi-permanent attachment. The Quad Lock distinguishes out for its simplicity of phone access, slim design, and security on uneven terrain. This makes it a fantastic all-around mount for mountain bikers or photography enthusiasts. Number 4. The Nite Ize Raptor is a favorite among our testers due to its adaptability, simplicity of setup, and inexpensive cost. The Nite Ize and VUP are equally simple and straightforward to attach on your bike. It fit on each bike handlebar we tested and didn't require any tools. The Nite Ize can be installed in either a landscape, portrait, or an intermediate configuration. The Nite Ize was easily transferred to strollers for strolls and shopping carts for trips to the grocery store. Although this mount is comprised of plastic and rubber, our testers were impressed with its stylish design. The mount is pretty stable, but if you don't completely put a corner on, your phone could fall out. It takes a few seconds to attach and remove your phone from the universal mount. The mount itself does not offer complete weather protection. And drawback with this setup could be that a huge phone with a thick case might not fit in the straps. Most people would find the Nite Ize to be a fantastic mount for a fraction of the price of other high-performing mounts. Number 5. Our most durable mounting option is the Rockform Pro Series bike mount. Replace the sleek all-aluminum mount on top of your bike's 1-1 divided by 8 inches threadless steer tube and tighten it with the Allen wrench provided. Despite being laborious, this procedure only takes a few minutes, and the mount is then prepared for use. We adore the Rockform Pro Series stability on a variety of terrains. This mount might be perfect for you if you ride gravel bikes or mountain bikes frequently. Even though it is pricey, if you don't want to take the chance of your phone flying off when traveling over rough terrain, purchasing this mount might be worthwhile. Easy access to your phone is a different feature that our testers adore. Your phone is incredibly simple to put on and take off the mount for calls or photos thanks to the twist lock mechanism. Additional security is provided by the mount's built-in magnet, which also aids in directing the phone into the proper mounting position. Once you get the hang of it, mounting or removing your phone one-handedly is easy. That's all from my end. I make useful videos every day, so please subscribe to my channel. Check out my description if you need more information or want to know the price of the product. Please leave a comment if you have any problems. Stay up to date on our cool products because it will make your life much easier.